Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to resolve data mismatch in data entry in Excel or any ERP system. This is for accounts, finance, data process professionals for finding the difference amount. First thing is we have to check source system data, whether the all source system data is properly entered in Excel or any other ERP system. For example, here 15 entries are there. All 15 entries are entered or not, we have to check. This is first step. After that, second step should be if it is in a Excel, then we have to check the range, formula range. If it is a full range, it's okay. Otherwise, we have to change it. Right? Next will be if there is any round of formula that we have to take care. If it is in a ERP system will take care of totally, so we need not to bother about it. Okay, after that we have to first find out the difference amount. For that, simply come to know this data entry amount minus original document total. We will come to know what is the difference. So here 9 is different is there. So there, right? Okay, so we have to concentrate only the how many 9s are there in source document. 1, 2, 3. Last digit of 9 is in 3 times are there. So same way we have to check. This is 1, this is 2. So this is 390 is not matching. So if we make 399, then it will be okay. This is for example only. If it is a difference of 2, then we have to search only 2, last digit of 2. If it is 3, only last digit of 3. In case only one error is there. If it is multiple errors there, then we have to search with the combination. Difference of 9, combination of 2 digits. In source it is a 21 last 2 digits, but if we enter in ERP 12, then it will be a minus 9 rupees or minus $9. If it is a plus, then it will be reverse. Here it will be a 21, in source it will be a 12. Like that we have to consider whether it is a minus or plus. Based on that we have to work out. 32 may be a typed as 23, 43 typed as a 34, 76 as a 67, 87, 78, 98 typed as 89. If it is a reverse means we have to check this side. Same way also for getting error of difference of 18 rupees. 31 last 2 digits of 31 is typed as 13, 42 24, 53 35, 64 46, 75 57, 86 68, 97 78. Like that we have to make some combination of difference. I just given for 9, 18, 27. Like that if there is any error we have to check combination numbers. Then only instead of checking all entries, if it is a balance sheet or trial balance, we cannot check all entries, but we can do some combination of 2 digits for getting single digit error or difference. This will be very helpful. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.